Good day everyone. My name is Taufiko Mashaliwa. I am a nutritionist and I'm from Mary's Choice Global Resources in partnership with Neolife International. And Neolife International is dealing with nutritional supplements. I'm here to advertise one of Neolife nutritional supplements, which is Provitality. Provitality is derived from fruits. It is a combination of 4 products: true NA, omega-3 salmon oil, carotenoid complex, and multivitamin. The functions of Provitality Plus is help in boosting immune system. It fights against disease. It improves brain power. It prevents rheumatism and dry skin. It eradicates eczema. It prevents eyes problem. It helps in promoting hair growth. It prevents aging process. Eliminates waste products from the cells and helps to absorb good nutrients into the body. If you want to get the Neolife Provitality Plus, you can reach out to me via this WhatsApp number 09069776013. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment and share.